I was just sharing that society has brainwashed you to believe that you got to go to school and go back to college. That's just another way for them to make some money. How many people you know with college degrees that's working at Wendy's? Oh, okay? Like, you get what I'm saying? So, if you're not trying to go be no heart surgeon, no doctor, no lawyer, baby, you ain't got to go back to college for that. Just study it. You can go on the IRS and read and study foreign taxes and the publication. You'll be more of a tax expert than a CPA. I'm telling you, okay? If you go to the IRS website and you study the publications, especially the type of taxes that you all like she stated, bookkeeping and accounting, you stating foreign taxes, you can literally just study and take classes and workshops from other attorneys, CPAs, and learn the knowledge and information that you need to help with your clients, especially working at the bank. I used to work at the bank too. So that's what made me even get in this business too. I was working at the bank for a while. Okay, Shanika, I'm just not seeing yours. You say, I've always wanted to do taxes and financial stuff, but never knew where to start legitimately. So that's where you start. I'm from the hood too. Okay, I'm book smart, street smart. All right, I was doing side hustle stuff too. I never did taxes like Pookie and them, but I was side hustling some other stuff, right? So I understand what you're saying, like when you want to turn around and quit hustling and kind of actually build you something legitimate that you can sustain, right? That's why I quit hustling and built me a real business and really honed in these last 10 years so that way I could have a real business. You get what I'm saying? So I know exactly what you're saying, Shanika. So depending on when you say financial services and taxes, I just gave you the tools to start working with taxes. If you want to do other things in financial services like bookkeeping, QuickBooks, stuff like that, then just, again, look up the softwares and the systems. Read about what you want to do and then just start reading on it. That's all it is. That's all school do to you, right? Even when you go to college, what they do, give you a book to read on what they want to teach you. But that's all you doing. You just reading the manual. And instead of you having to pay somebody 40, 50, 100,000, just go read the manual. Okay? Start there and do it yourself. And save your money. Invest in yourself. I'm actually teaching a tax program. So I'm gonna share something with y'all. We still working on my sales funnel. That's the reason why I ain't text some of y'all, right? But I'm gonna share something with y'all. Now, I'm gonna also share this. I have not always made this in business. Okay, I have not always made this in business, but some of you all who are interested in financial services, I'm gonna just share something with you. I'm gonna let you see something. I'm gonna turn my camera around so you can see. I'm in my tax software right now. Right. Right. So I use Drake, which is a really advanced system. You got to really know Drake to use this, right? But I want to show you this. This is 2021. So this isn't current year. We in 2022. I'm in 2021 right now, right? But I want to just show y'all from this one system. And I got two systems. What I made. I billed $179,000. I got deposited into my account $170,000. That's just from one system. That's from 2021, right? So when you actually are serious about your business and your brand, and you can see, there go my company name, P. Stewart and Associates, and it shows you right there. Prep fee, deposit fee. That's not including cash transactions. That's not including Zelle. That's not including credit card payments, right? That's just what I build in this system right here. So when I tell people that you can really make a lucrative amount of money in the tax industry, you can. And if you build your business like a real legitimate business like I have, right, you can work all year round. I work all year round. I don't stop at April. I'm billing taxes right now. That's why I just said I'm billing money right now. I just billed $5,000 tonight. So to me, what I love about the tax industry is you can literally come in and print your own money. Okay? Like literally. So that's one of the things that I love about being in this industry is you have access to that. So once you learn taxes, once you learn the systems, because I'm also an authorized e-file agent with the IRS. So when you're a authorized e-file agent, you can file taxes electronically, right? I don't use a TurboTax. I don't use a free tax system. I have Drake, right? But I also can cut checks. I also can issue debit cards, right? So when my clients came to me this year, if they didn't have a bank account, I could issue them a debit card. If they don't have a bank account, I could cut them a cashier's check, right? So again, that is part of the reason why when I'm teaching you all how to start a tax business, I'm going to show you how to get to this money for real, how you can do it legitimately, Shanika, right? So now you don't have to hustle doing taxes or hustle doing whatever you're doing, right? Now you can actually build a long-term sustainable business that you can maintain all year round, right? Because if you didn't notice, tax season is not just January through April, right? I just told you I'm still filing taxes. I filed individual taxes all the way through November, like the second week of November. I filed business taxes up until the first week of December, right? But if you hustling, and you know some of these people that's hustling, they're not making no money right now in taxes, right? They're not even talking about taxes. They're on another hustle. That's what I'm teaching my community to be different, right? That's why I don't want you to be a Pookie or a Ray Ray. I want you to be a legitimate company where you can make money all year round. And so that's the goal, is to teach you all that.